Today I want to introduce you to the Cocora Valley of Colombia. Tucked inside Colombia's Cauca region in Quindio is the misty dreamlike landscape that inspired the world of Disney's Encanto. This valley is famous for its towering Quindio wax palms, soaring nearly 200 feet into the clouds, and its sweeping green mountains that feel straight out of a magical story. Once in the valley, travelers can explore on foot or horseback. Hiking trails usually take 3 to 4 hours and lead through cloud forests, rolling hills, and rows of sky-high palms. Because the area is often misty, muddy, and unpredictable, dirty hiking boots and rain gear are essentials. Just outside of the colorful town of Salento, Cocora Valley sits within the Los Nevados National Natural Park. Getting there is part of the adventure. Visitors hop onto traditional Willy Jeep from Salento's main square and ride out to the trailhead. A trip to Cocora isn't complete without enjoying time in Salento itself. Known for its bright architecture, craft shops, and cozy coffee cafes. Altogether, the valley and its surroundings offer an enchanting real-world glimpse into the natural beauty that inspired Encanto's magical setting.